Everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Microsoft Edge is not opening in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side. We hover over it, it says Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select Apps and Features. Select the Apps tile. In the search this list field, go ahead and click inside of it, and then type in Edge. Should say Microsoft Edge in here. Go ahead and select that, and then select the Modify button. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And then hopefully the attempt to launch Microsoft Edge after doing that should actually be able to resolve the problem there, guys. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.